What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure and Off-Road Elements. Today we're going to be putting a winch right here on this moto-built frame chop bumper. Thanks to CrawlTV, I was able to pick one up after dropping the kids off for the summer on my way home. So we're going to go ahead and go inside, show you how far I've gotten so far because it's kind of been raining on and off. And then we'll bring it out here, get it installed in the Jeep and call it good. So let's get started. Okay, well the project moved inside because it started raining. So we're just gonna go ahead and get the control box on and kind of get it set up so that way all we have to do is just place it on the bumper, get it wired up to the battery and bolt it down. So go ahead and get it prepared, make it a little bit easier. And all right, so I started setting up the winch and I went ahead and put the control box on, got it wired up. It's super easy with Smittybilt. They have directions, but honestly, you don't even need them because everything is marked down here. So you have little letters and then it's literally marked on this. So like there's D and then you find the D and you put the D on the D and then the C on the C and then I mean, it's simple. So other than that, we mounted the control box up here. All you have to do is take this bolt out and there's a little screw on the other side that you're actually going to put in. So that's all mounted up and all I have to do now is take it outside when this rain kind of stops, like actually stops, and we'll get it mounted up on the Jeep. Okay, so I have the winch sitting in here and then we're going to be putting in these little nuts. There's 4 of them. And there's 2 holes, so there's 2 holes in the front, sorry, 4 holes total, and then the same thing on the back, 2 more holes that you will slide these in, and then the bolts will go through the bumper, through your little fairlead bracket or winch plate, whatever you want to call that, and then you'll just tighten it up and the winch will actually be sitting in there, and we'll move on from there into wiring and getting the actual fairlead set up with the hook. So let me get that started because I'm a one-man show right now.
There you go, right there, at least in the moto-built. It's going to be the same spot pretty much for all yours. Just going to have to find them and wiggle it around till it fits right in. Pun intended.
So the last 2 things that we have to do is set up our wiring and then set up the actual fairlead right here and put the hook on. So not too bad, we're almost done. And it looks a lot better. And I can actually winch out if I ever get in trouble, which is very convenient. So let's get this finished up and then we'll keep on keeping on. All right, so we got the fairlead bracket on and the hook on. We went ahead and ran the wires up here through here. This is kind of needs to be pushed down or sit tight or something. And then to the battery. Went ahead and hooked it up, grabbed the controller and tested it, and it does work. So that's good. That is great news. And in case you didn't know, this controller is actually magnetic, which is pretty awesome. All right guys, that's it. So we went ahead and got this winch up. So thank you so much, CrawlTV. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we can get together soon and we don't have to wait forever to actually be able to meet up and hang out. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section. Yes, I have a dip in. I don't care anymore. I'm just doing whatever I want to do. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. And other than that, keep the adventure going.